We all have them. Those boxes in the attic, the clutter in the spare room, or those cherished family heirlooms we aren't quite sure what to do with. It can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing Mom's Attic, the new phone app designed to help you tackle the task at hand, whatever that might be. Whether you're downsizing, preparing for a move, or finally organizing that basement, Mom's Attic is your partner in the process. It turns a daunting project into something guided, interactive, and, dare we say, even a little fun. Wondering how to handle family treasures? Mom's Attic provides a clear, steady foundation, guiding you through those sentimental items with ease. Or perhaps you're a collector. From vintage comics to quilts, Mom's Attic acts as your digital library. It's the perfect long-term home to catalog, showcase, and easily share your inventory with the people who matter most. No matter your motivation, Mom's Attic is the tool that helps you sort, organize, and prepare your items to be passed on or enjoyed by friends and family. Start your journey by downloading the Mom's Attic app today.